What's up, online shoppers? I am so excited. I got the Solo stove. This is the Ranger. This was my birthday present. I'm so excited to open it, so let's pop it open and see what's inside. Now, I wanted one of these so I could use it on my deck at camp. It comes really nicely packaged. It's a sturdy box. We've got the styrofoam that completely encloses it. You got to give it a little wiggle to get it out. There we go. It's coming. It's definitely coming. This is so well packed. There we go. There's one piece. And let's get the rest of it out here. Whew. Very well packed, I tell ya. Let's get it out of the plastic. Really nicely packed. Okay. This is the ring that goes around the top. Of course, you've got your instruction manual right here. It comes with a carry bag, which is really cool. So after you've used it, you can actually put it in this carry bag so that you can put it in a vehicle or inside your house or in your garage without worrying about anything getting dirty, and to keep it protected from getting dusty, from being exposed to the elements. I love it. What else is in here? Now this is the fire pit stand, so it will actually elevate this up off the ground if you want to use it like that. And take it out of the bag. There's also some instructions in here about how and when to use it. So we're gonna slide this out, just like that. Okay, so this is the stand right here. Okay. And now we just have the stove. So I'm gonna try and wiggle it out here. It's in nice and firm, that's for sure. Okay, there we go. Okay, it's out of the plastic. Now this is all stainless steel, so it's not gonna rust. And it has a couple pieces in how it's put together. So if I tip it this way and show you like this, you can see that there are air holes all the way around the outside here. That helps this to have a smokeless burn. That means that there's really good air circulation and it keeps the smoke to a minimum. This here is a base, and you can see around the bottom there's also another row of air holes. Now these go right up inside and connect up into this so that you have great circulation and minimal smoke when you are using it. The base goes like this, and then you put this on top just like that. It fits into some ridges so that it's nice and sturdy, just like that. And it elevates it up off of the ground, which is also really cool. This weighs 15 pounds. So once you've got it all ready to store and you put it in your bag, just like this, like it's a nice Solo bag, it's not gonna weigh so much that you're gonna have a hard time carrying it. It also packs down nice and compact, which is great for if you're gonna take this on a hunting or a camping trip, trailer, keep it on your deck, that sort of thing. It is 15 inches or 38 centimeters across, and it is 12.5 inches or 32 centimeters tall. And as far as fuel, in here you can burn either chunk firewood or split logs, things that are cut up to be about this big. You can also put split pieces of wood in as well. Something else that's really nice about this, it has this base right here for separating out the ashes. And it's connected in here, so this part doesn't come out. There's the bottom of the fire pit for you, and you can see the rim here so that the base fits right in to the ridges on the base so that it is actually nice and sturdy when you have it set down. As far as cleaning goes, ashes are going to fall down here, and the holes at the bottom here are actually vent holes to help oxygen get right up in underneath your wood, so you have a really clean, warm burn. It definitely pushes the limits of airflow efficiency, and it's going to give you a great campfire experience no matter where you want to use this. This is the flame ring. Now this is installed properly as far as keeping the flame centered and even burning like this. But when it's time to store your fire pit, You can flip it over and it nests right inside like that, as does the base, so that you have everything all compact in this one little container. Now, I haven't had a chance to use this one yet, but I'm really excited to give it a try. So I'm gonna take it with me to camp this weekend, and I'm gonna get some chunk firewood and some split wood, and I'm going to set it all up in here and see how it burns. I should also mention that there are a lot of other accessories that you can get for this, and you can even adapt this to burn wood pellets. It has a wood pellet adapter that you can purchase that goes on the bottom, so that you can also burn pellets if you don't have firewood handily accessible. Lots of different applications and uses. Of course, it's so sleek and stylish looking. It comes with this really great portable bag for carrying it, with a drawstring top and a little hook for keeping your top closed, and of course, carrying handles as well. Let's collapse this down so we can put it in the carry bag and see what it looks like. So this comes off like that. This comes off the base like that. This is gonna go inside, fits really nice. And then we just flip the flame ring over like that so that it fits. I'm gonna put it inside the carry bag. So we're gonna position it at our top. Just like that. And I'll show you how nice it fits inside here too. Of course, it's not a quiet pack, is it? That's okay. So you can see that after you've been using it, you've got a great way to transport it, so that if you have any remaining ash or anything, it's not going to get on any of your vehicle or wherever it is you're storing. So this fits in here really nice, just like that. It's all done, and you've got your drawstring top. So you just pull it closed, cinch it down, and you've got these great carrying handles as well, so that it transports nice and easy. I'm really excited to give this a try and see how well it burns the chunk firewood and the split firewood. But from unboxing it, definitely lots of positive things. Very well packed. You're not gonna get this dented. You've got a great carrying bag. You've got the option to use a centering fire ring to really direct your flames. And although I haven't tried it yet, I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a family favorite at my house.